The final report on racial disparities in healthcare highlighted during the pandemic is now available. It's our top story at noon. Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for watching today. I'm Kira Lake. Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist and State Coronavirus Racial Disparities Task Force put all of this information together. The report shows that during the pandemic, deaths were avoided by making healthcare more accessible and addressing issues as they were happening. Now, Josh Sanchez, he's here for you now in studio with the recommendations to reduce racial disparities. Josh, what did you learn?
Kiara, Lieutenant Governor Gilchrist says that COVID-19 was uniquely lethal in communities of color. The task force calls for continued funding to neighborhood testing along with vaccine and mobile clinics. They also recommended that there be improved data collecting for racial and ethnic information in COVID cases. The task force believes that it would help pinpoint gaps in health coverage. Also, as telehealth appointments took off during the pandemic, the Lieutenant Governor reaffirmed his commitment to getting more families connected to the internet. He stresses the recommendations are needed to protect Michiganders in the future.
We didn't set a particular goal beyond we wanted to reduce the disparities, but what we did say is that we intended to, do as much as we could in the short term. Like the rate of death was unacceptable in Michigan, and so we had to take action, and we did. And now we want to figure out how we can make that sustainable going forward.
Gilchrist says implementing the recommendations will need a collaboration of using federal and state resources like allocating state funding to these projects. Now, one of the budget proposals made aims to fund projects under the Michigan High-Speed Internet Office.